Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying some crispy dumpling bites. Okay, it has a sweet and spicy sauce that was included. It's chicken and vegetables in the dumpling sauce. I got these at Kroger's. And I also got this lobster roll. I picked this up at Dollar Tree. The lobster rolls are good and the shrimp rolls. They also have vegetable and I believe chicken. So before we get started, we gotta say prayers. I have me some Diet Coke on deck. What you hear ticking is not a bomb, it's my air fryer. So let's get started. Amen. Okay, so here's how they look, you guys. And I put them in the air fryer. That's the sauce on them. The sauce is sort of thick. And they say they're crispy. So let's give it a try. Mm. They are good. That's all. And here's this lobster roll. I'll put this in the air fryer. And it's also come with its own sauce. You get the roll and you get a sweet and sour sauce, you guys. Where did I cut it? There we go. You gotta be careful because this stuff is piping hot. Ooh. Like I said, hot. See the vegetable, a little piece of little lobster, just a little piece. It is good. You know what I used to do? When I used to go to, like I said, I want to go and get me some Chinese food after work. So I might say, I'm going to go on Friday. So what I would do, I would go to Dollar Tree and get me a couple of little egg rolls. So I would get the lunch special because it's cheaper. Then I got my own the egg roll that I bought from Dollar Tree. So that's usually what I do because I get the lunch special. And if I were to get it with I used to get egg fouillon with chicken fried rice, and the egg roll is $9. If I get the shrimp egg fouillon and the chicken fried rice, I think it's $5.50. And usually I don't even get to the egg roll anyway. All that stuff in there, you get full fast. But Don't sleep on these guys. These are good. Like I said, they had lobster, shrimp, vegetable, and chicken. And there's another thing they can't keep in stock. Another one of these chicken dumplings. Everything cooked perfect. Get that crunch. Boy, it's really good. I just made it home from work. I changed my clothes and everything. So after I eat these, I'm gonna go upstairs. Here we go. See, it's still steaming. Woo. Mm. This is good, guys. Hit the spot. So I'm gonna eat me another dumpling, and I will be all done. This is the egg roll. So I got these at Kroger. So Meyer probably sell them too. They very good and they crispy. So I thank you guys for watching and spending a little bit of time with me. And I will be back later with another video. Happy Thursday.